running a little late for work. I woke up at the time that I usually leave. That's always nice, but it's wet, so. Wipers. We out with the boys. We got GREYTOP behind us. We got EM in front of us. GREYTOP birthday, GREYTOP day. About to get shitty. Grippy as fuck. Dude, my fucking car is soaked. Dude, the way the cars echo in this lot is fucking sick. Oh, buddy.
I hit a goddamn puddle and came to my window.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, this is so unpredictable whenever it's wet.
Dude, I just almost hit him.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, I can't predict this shit whenever it's wet.
Dude, me either. It's like it's dry. This shit's awesome. Dude, yo, I was hella close to him whenever we started, and he spit hella water in my car.
Dude, it's so unpredictable. You know what time it is?
We both went the same way.
My tints are too dark, bro.
Dude, I can't fucking see out of my defrost.
I know.
It's fucked. You want to lead? Or you want me to lead?
What?
You want to lead?
Huh?
You want to lead?
Yeah. I don't know where to go with this though.
It's like super grippy and then it's super slick. It don't make sense. God damn, son.
I can't do shit.
Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, I suck at driving. Are we gonna do it to this man?
I think we are.
GREYTOP Day celebration. We got a fucking river coming up. Look at how deep this fucking water is. It's literally hitting my side skirt. Look at that. Holy shit. Dude, my car does not like that.
Yeah, me neither.
Like, at all. it starts fucking, look, it starts smoking and shit.
You open up, nah, it's the condensation.
Yeah.
You open up your door.
I did. Dude, it's right there.
Yeah.
It's right fucking there. Driving through the Mississippi. You gotta be kidding. What the